Now we take some another question. Your question is the the taxi fare in a city is as follows. Is as follows. For the first kilometer, for the first kilometer, the fare is the fare is rupees 8. Rupees 8. For the subsequent for the subsequent distance, it is distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare and total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equation. Write a linear equation for this information. For this information and draw its graph. Draw its graph. Okay. Your question is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the rate of the fare is rupees 8. For the subsequent distance, okay, first kilometer the rate of the fare is 8 rupees per kilometer. It is 5 rupee. It is for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equations for this information and draw its graph. In this question, first of all, we find the linear equation, then after draw its graph on the graph paper. Okay, now solve it. From question, total fare is y. Total fare of rupees y for covering distance of x kilometer is given by the relation. Let's see. Total fare of rupees y for covering the distance of x kilometer is given by the relation y square is equal to From question, for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. That is for first kilometer rupees 8, rupees 8 for first kilometer. This for total fare of rupees y for covering distance of x kilometer is given by y is equal to 8. For first kilometer it is 8. For the subsequent distance it is 5 kilometer. A total distance x kilometer, and for the subsequent distance it is only 5 rupees na per kilometer. So plus 5 into remaining distance is x minus 1, because of for first kilometer 1 into 8 is rupees 8. So and remaining kilometer is x minus 1. Okay, now solve it. Y is equal to 8 plus multiplying 5x minus 5 ones are 5. Okay, so here y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, now we get the linear equation in two variables. We get the linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. So here we express x in term of y, it is already. So we get the points. Now take equation number 1. Now we put x is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 5 into 0 plus 3, that is y is equal to 3. Okay, now we put x is equal to 1. Now we put x is equal to 1. We get x is equal to 1. We get y is equal to 5 into 1 plus 3, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Y is equal to 8. Okay, so required table. So required table is x y. When we put x is equal to 0, then we corresponding value of y is 3. When we put x is equal to 1, then their corresponding value of y is 8. So we plotting the points A 0 3 and B 1 8 on the graph paper. On the graph paper, let's see. We draw the coordinate x o x dash and y o y dash. This is the x axis x dash o x and y o y dash is your y axis. Take the suitable points +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6. This is the positive direction of x. Here we take -1 -2 -3 -4 and also on. This is the negative direction of x. Now we take that side. This is the positive direction of y. +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6, and this is the negative direction of y. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and also on. Okay, and we plotting the points a 0 3. Here first point is 0 3, abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 3. So here abscissa is 0 at that point and ordinate is 3 plus 3. So the it is positive, so we go through the positive direction of y. 1 2 3 here. So the first point a is that region 0 3. Okay, similarly we draw another point b which is 1 comma 8, 1 comma 8. Abscissa is 1, that is 1, and ordinate is 8. Ordinate is 8. This is positive direction of y. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and here plus 8, that point at that side, that is the point b which is 1 8. Now we joining these points by straight line. By the straight line, this is the graph of the linear equation. This line represent the graph of the line y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, so in this type of questions, first of all we draw the linear equation, then after drawing the plotting the graph of this equation. Okay, now take another question. If the point 3 4 lies on the graph on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. It is very easy question. If the point 3 4 lies on the graph of the line this, find the value of a. Since every point on the graph of a linear equation is a solution of the equation, is a solution of the given equation. Every point on the graph of a linear equation is a solution of the given equation, that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is a solution of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is the solution of the given equation, so it must be satisfy the given equation. So we get 3 into 4 a into 3 plus 7, 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, 3 is equal to 12 minus 7 which is 5, that is a is equal to 5 by 3. So the value of a is 5 by 3. So in this way you solve all the question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, this chapter is closed. Thank you.